Okay, David, be honest with me. Has this ever happened to you? Someone at a party asks, "So, where are you from? What's it like there?" And your brain just stops working?
Oh, every single time. It's like someone pulls the plug. Suddenly I forget every word I know in English, and all I can say is, um, it's nice.
It's nice. That's it. That's the whole answer.
That's the whole answer. And then there's the silence, and you can feel the conversation just sinking.
I love that you said that because that is exactly why we're here today. If you've ever frozen up when someone asked about your hometown, your city, the place you grew up, this episode is for you.
By the end of today, you're going to have real phrases, real structure, and honestly, a much more interesting answer than "it's nice."
Let's fix this together. Hey everyone, welcome back to Fluento, Everyday English for Real Life. I'm Anna.
And I'm David, and if this is your first time here, we make a brand new lesson every single day to help you speak English with more confidence in real, everyday situations.
Today's topic, like David said, is talking about your city, your hometown, the place you live now, anywhere you're proud to describe. This comes up constantly. New job, travel, meeting new people online, someone always asks.
And don't forget, we've got a completely free phrase guide for this exact episode. Every word and phrase we teach today, organized and ready for you to review. The link is right in the description. Go grab it.
Now, let's get into it using our method, observe, speak, extend, the OSE method.
First, we observe how natural speakers actually talk about their city. Then we speak it ourselves. Then we extend it into a real conversation.
So, David, when someone asks you about your city, what's usually the very first thing you want them to understand?
Honestly, the size and the pace. Is it a huge, busy place, or is it small and slow? That's the first picture people want in their head.
Exactly. And here's a mistake I hear a lot. Learners just say big or small, which is fine, but it sounds a little flat. Native speakers almost always soften it with an extra word.
Right, so instead of "it's big," you'd say,
It's a pretty big city, or it's a fairly small town. That one little word, pretty, fairly, kind of, sort of, makes it sound so much more natural.
I actually do this without thinking. I'll say, "it's kind of a small town, but it's growing fast."
See, that already sounds like a real sentence, not a textbook answer. Now, size is step one. Step two is something I think is even more fun, the vibe.
Ooh, the vibe. Explain that for our learners.
The vibe just means the general feeling or atmosphere of a place. It's not a fact, it's a feeling. And this is where you can really show your personality.
Give us some vibe words.
Okay, if your city is full of energy, lots of people, lots going on, you can say it's buzzing. Downtown is always buzzing on the weekends.
I like buzzing. It sounds exactly like what it means. Busy, alive, a little loud in a good way.
Exactly. Now, if your place is the opposite, quiet, slow, relaxed, you'd say it's laid back. My town is really laid back. Nothing happens too fast around here.
Laid back is one of my favorite words in English, honestly. It just feels calm when you say it.
It really does. So already with just two ideas, size and vibe, you can build a full sentence. Try this structure. It's a big city and it's pretty laid back.
Let's hear an example from you.
It's a fairly small town and it's really laid back. Everyone kind of knows everyone.
See, that's already 10 times better than "it's nice." Let's hear this in action. Picture this. Anna and I just met at a language exchange night. Hey, I don't think we've talked yet. I'm David.
Hi, David. I'm Anna. Nice to meet you. So, are you from around here?
No, actually, I'm originally from a small town up north. It's pretty quiet, kind of laid back. What about you?
Oh, I'm the opposite. I grew up right in the city center. It's always buzzing, honestly. There's always something happening.
That sounds exciting. Do you ever miss the quiet?
Sometimes, actually, but I love the energy too much to leave.
See how that flowed? No awkward pause, no "it's nice," just two natural sentences and the conversation kept going by itself.
Okay, now that we've set the scene, let's talk about the part everyone loves sharing, what your city is actually known for.
This is my favorite part because it's so personal. Every city has something.
Right, and the key phrase here is super simple. It's known for, followed by one thing, a food, a place, something local.
Give us some real examples.
My city is known for its street food, or it's known for this really old bridge downtown that everyone takes pictures on.
I always say it's known for having really friendly people, which is true, by the way.
See, it doesn't have to be a tourist attraction. It can be a feeling, a food, a habit, anything that makes it yours.
And here's a phrase I love using for something smaller, less obvious, a hidden gem. That means something wonderful that most people don't know about.
Oh, I love that one. There's this tiny little cafe near my old house. It's a real hidden gem.
Perfect example. It makes the listener curious. They want to know more.
And that curiosity is exactly what keeps a conversation alive. When you share something specific, a food, a hidden gem, a small detail, people naturally ask a follow-up question.
Now, what if someone feels like their city is just ordinary? No famous food, no beautiful beach, nothing special.
Such a good question, David, because that's most of us, honestly.
Totally. Most people don't live somewhere famous.
And that's completely fine, because you don't need something world famous, you just need something true. You can say, it's not really touristy, but it's a really comfortable place to live. Or, there's not much to see, but I love it because it's home.
Because it's home. That's such a warm way to end a sentence.
It really is. People connect with honesty more than they connect with a list of monuments. Let's try another short scene. This time, David and I are on a video call. We matched through a language app.
Hey, so good to finally see your face, not just text messages.
I know, right? So tell me, what's your city actually known for? I looked it up, but I want to hear it from you.
Honestly, nothing too famous. It's not really touristy, but it's known for these amazing little bakeries. There's one on every corner, basically.
Okay, now I'm hungry. That sounds like a hidden gem kind of place.
It really is. What about your city? What's it known for?
Mine's known for this huge night market. It gets so buzzing on weekends, the whole street just comes alive.
That sounds incredible. Okay, that's officially on my travel list now. See that? One question about what's it known for, and suddenly we're planning a trip. That's the power of a good, specific answer.
Now let's talk about something really practical, everyday life details, things like transportation, weather, daily rhythm.
This is what makes a description feel real instead of like a postcard.
Exactly. For transportation, you can say, it's really easy to get around by subway, or most people just walk everywhere. It's very walkable.
Walkable, meaning you can comfortably walk to most places.
Right, and for weather, keep it simple and emotional, not scientific. Instead of talking about exact temperatures, say, it gets pretty cold in winter, so bring a warm coat. Or, summers are really hot, but everyone just lives by the coast, so it's fine.
I like adding a little tip, too, like you'll definitely want an umbrella if you visit in spring. It feels like real advice from a friend.
It does. Now let's fix a few common mistakes we hear from learners all the time. David, give me the first one.
Okay, here's one. My city has many people. Grammatically okay, but it sounds a little stiff.
Right, let's smooth that out. Instead, try, it's a pretty crowded city, or there's always a ton of people around.
A ton of people. I love that expression. It just means a lot, but it sounds so much more natural in conversation.
Next mistake, my city is very old. Also correct, but a little plain.
Upgrade. It's a historic city, or it's got a lot of history. That second one especially, it's got a lot of history, sounds so warm and inviting.
It makes people want to ask, oh really, like what? One more. The food is good in my city.
Totally fine sentence, but let's make it shine. Try, we've got an amazing food scene here, or the food here is honestly incredible.
Food scene is such a great phrase. It means the whole culture around restaurants, cafes, street food, all of it.
These small upgrades take you from beginner sounding to fluent sounding, and they're honestly not hard to remember at all.
All right, let's put everything together in one full, natural conversation, start to finish, just like a real first meeting.
Picture this. We're at a rooftop event, meeting for the first time. Hi there. I don't think we've met. I'm David.
Hi, David. I'm Anna. Nice to meet you. Great view up here, right?
Seriously incredible. So, are you visiting or do you live nearby?
I actually grew up here. It's a pretty big city, and honestly, it's always buzzing. There's always something going on downtown.
That sounds like my kind of place. What's it known for?
Mostly the food scene, actually. We've got an amazing night market that's known for street food from basically everywhere.
Okay, now I need to try that. Is it easy to get around without a car?
Super easy. It's really walkable, and the subway goes basically everywhere. How about you, David? What's your city like?
It's a lot smaller and more laid back. Not really touristy, but it's got a lot of history, and honestly, it's a really comfortable place to live.
That sounds so peaceful. Do you get much winter weather there?
It gets pretty cold, actually. You definitely want a warm coat if you visit it in January.
Noted. Well, now I really want to see it sometime.
You're always welcome. I'll show you the hidden gems nobody else knows about.
Deal.
And that's a wrap on our scene. Notice how naturally that moved. Size, vibe, what it's known for, getting around, weather, all in one easy back-and-forth conversation.
No memorized speech, no awkward silence, just real sharing and real curiosity.
Let's lock these in with a quick recap before we go.
Number 1, soften your size description. It's a pretty big city, or it's a fairly small town.
Number 2, describe the vibe. Buzzing for full of energy, laid back for calm and relaxed.
Number 3, share what it's known for. It's known for plus one specific detail, and if it's something small and special, call it a hidden gem.
Number 4, talk about daily life. It's really walkable or it's easy to get around by blank.
Number 5, always pass it back with a question. How about you? What's your city like? That keeps the conversation alive and shows you're genuinely interested.
Every single one of these phrases plus extra examples are waiting for you in today's free phrase guide.
Yes, just click the link in the description to download it. It's completely free and it's the perfect way to review everything we covered today.
So here's your homework, and it's a fun one. In the comments below, tell us, where are you from and what's it known for? We genuinely read every single comment.
We love seeing all the different cities and towns you all are describing. It's honestly one of our favorite parts of making this channel.
And if today's lesson helped you feel even a little more confident, do us a favor, hit that like button. And if you're new here, subscribe. Remember, we post a brand new lesson every single day.
So next time someone asks, tell me about your city, you're not going to freeze. You're going to have a real, warm, natural answer ready to go.
You've got this. Practice today's phrases out loud even just once. That's how they really stick.
Thanks so much for learning with us today, everyone. Keep practicing, keep smiling.
And we'll see you right here tomorrow for another Fluento lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.